New law of assumption. Start assuming you have it all. The law of assumption, as you've described it, seems to echo principles of positive thinking and manifestation. Assuming you have it all can be a powerful mindset shift. By envisioning yourself already possessing the things you desire, whether it's success, happiness, or fulfillment, you're more likely to take actions aligned with those beliefs, ultimately manifesting them into reality. This approach encourages confidence, perseverance, and a proactive attitude towards achieving your goals. It's a compelling concept that aligns well with various self-improvement philosophies and practices. Sure, here are a few examples of how someone might apply the law of assumption. Let's delve deeper into how someone might apply the law of assumption to career advancement in 2024. Confidence in skills and abilities. Instead of second-guessing their capabilities or waiting for validation from others, individuals can assume they already possess the skills and expertise necessary to excel in their chosen field. This mindset shift empowers them to tackle challenges with confidence and take on projects that showcase their abilities. Proactive networking. Rather than waiting for opportunities to come their way, individuals can assume they have a valuable contribution to make and actively seek out networking opportunities. Whether it's attending industry events, reaching out to professionals for informational interviews, or participating in online communities, they approach networking with the confidence of someone who is already established in their field. Seeking growth opportunities. Instead of feeling complacent in their current role, individuals can assume they are destined for continual growth and advancement. They actively seek out opportunities for learning and development, whether through additional training, certifications, or taking on new responsibilities within their organization. Embracing leadership qualities. Rather than waiting for a promotion to assume a leadership role, individuals can embody leadership qualities in their current position. They take initiative, mentor colleagues, and demonstrate a proactive approach to problem solving, positioning themselves as valuable assets to their team and organization. Visualizing success. Instead of dwelling on past setbacks or limitations, individuals can assume they are on the path to success and visualize themselves achieving their career goals. They create vision boards, set clear objectives, and consistently work towards their aspirations with the confidence that they are already capable of achieving them. By adopting the law of assumption in their career advancement efforts, individuals can cultivate a mindset of confidence, proactivity, and abundance, ultimately positioning themselves for success and fulfillment in their professional lives. When applying the law of assumption to relationships in 2024, individuals can adopt a mindset that empowers them to attract and nurture fulfilling connections. Here's how they might do so. Self-confidence. Individuals can assume they possess all the qualities necessary to attract a loving and compatible partner. This mindset shift involves recognizing their worth, embracing their strengths, and believing in their ability to create meaningful connections. Authenticity. Instead of trying to impress or conform to others' expectations, individuals can assume they are worthy of love and acceptance just as they are. They approach relationships with authenticity, showing up as their true selves and attracting partners who appreciate them for who they are. Openness to connection. Rather than approaching dating with apprehension or cynicism, individuals can assume they are deserving of love and open themselves up to the possibility of meaningful connections. This mindset allows them to engage authentically with others, foster emotional intimacy, and build genuine relationships. Setting boundaries. Individuals can assume they deserve respect and healthy boundaries in their relationships. This involves communicating their needs and expectations clearly, asserting themselves when necessary, and prioritizing their own well-being in all interactions. Embracing vulnerability. Instead of fearing rejection or vulnerability, individuals can assume they have the strength and resilience to navigate the ups and downs of relationships. They embrace vulnerability as a pathway to deeper connection, expressing their feelings openly and allowing themselves to be seen and understood by their partners. By applying the law of assumption to relationships, individuals can cultivate a mindset of self-worth, authenticity, and openness, ultimately attracting and nurturing the fulfilling connections they desire in 2024 and beyond. Applying the law of assumption to health and wellness in 2024 involves adopting a mindset that supports overall well-being and vitality. Here's how individuals might do so. Optimism and positive thinking. Individuals can assume they have the ability to achieve optimal health and well-being. They cultivate a positive mindset, focusing on their strengths and capabilities rather than dwelling on limitations or past setbacks. Self-efficacy. Instead of doubting their ability to make positive changes, individuals can assume they have the power to improve their health and wellness. This mindset shift empowers them to take proactive steps towards adopting healthier habits and lifestyle choices. Mindful living. Individuals can assume they possess the awareness and mindfulness needed to make conscious choices that support their well-being. They prioritize self-care practices such as meditation, yoga, and deep breathing exercises to reduce stress and promote inner balance. Nutrition and exercise. Rather than viewing healthy eating and exercise as burdensome tasks, individuals can assume they have the knowledge and motivation to nourish their bodies and stay active. They make informed food choices, prioritize regular exercise, and find joy in movement that supports their physical and mental health. Resilience. Instead of being discouraged by setbacks or obstacles, individuals can assume they have the resilience and determination to overcome challenges on their wellness journey. They view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, maintaining a sense of optimism and perseverance in the face of adversity. By applying the law of assumption to health and wellness, individuals can cultivate a mindset of empowerment, resilience, and self-care, ultimately fostering greater vitality and well-being in 2024 and beyond. When applying the law of assumption to financial abundance in 2024, individuals can cultivate a mindset that supports wealth creation and prosperity. Here's how they might do so. Abundance mindset. Individuals can assume they have the potential to create and attract wealth into their lives. They shift their mindset from scarcity to abundance, believing that there are ample opportunities for financial success and prosperity. Financial confidence. Instead of doubting their ability to manage money or generate income, individuals can assume they possess the financial knowledge and skills needed to thrive. This mindset shift empowers them to take calculated risks, make strategic investments, and pursue opportunities for financial growth with confidence. Strategic planning. Individuals can assume they have the ability to create and execute a financial plan that aligns with their goals and aspirations. They set clear financial objectives, develop actionable plans to achieve them, and regularly review and adjust their strategies as needed to stay on track. Entrepreneurial spirit. Rather than waiting for financial opportunities to come their way, individuals can assume they have the creativity and resourcefulness to generate income through entrepreneurship or side hustles. They explore new business ideas, leverage their skills and passions, and take proactive steps to monetize their talents. Gratitude and generosity. Individuals can assume they have a mindset of gratitude and generosity towards their financial abundance. They recognize and appreciate the wealth they already have, while also sharing their resources with others and giving back to their communities. By applying the law of assumption to financial abundance, individuals can cultivate a mindset of confidence, strategic planning, and abundance, ultimately attracting and creating greater wealth and prosperity in 2024 and beyond. When applying the law of assumption to personal growth in 2024, individuals can cultivate a mindset that fosters continuous self-improvement and development. Here's how they might do so. Belief in potential. Individuals can assume they have the potential for growth and self-improvement in all areas of their lives. They shift their mindset from fixed to growth-oriented, believing that they can learn, evolve, and develop new skills and abilities throughout their lives. Commitment to learning. Instead of being complacent or resistant to change, individuals can assume they have a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to learn. This mindset shift motivates them to seek out new experiences, pursue opportunities for personal and professional development, and actively engage in lifelong learning. Embracing challenges. Individuals can assume they have the resilience and courage to face challenges and obstacles on their personal growth journey. Rather than avoiding discomfort or setbacks, they embrace challenges as opportunities for learning, growth, and self-discovery. Self-reflection. Individuals can assume they have the self-awareness and introspective ability to reflect on their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. They regularly engage in self-reflection practices such as journaling, meditation, or therapy, gaining insights into their strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth. Goal setting. Individuals can assume they have the clarity and determination to set meaningful goals and take actionable steps towards achieving them. They set specific, measurable, and achievable goals in various areas of their lives, and they create actionable plans to turn their aspirations into reality. By applying the law of assumption to personal growth, individuals can cultivate a mindset of optimism, resilience, and self-empowerment, ultimately unlocking their full potential and leading more fulfilling lives in 2024 and beyond. In each of these examples, the law of assumption encourages individuals to adopt a mindset of abundance, confidence, and proactive action, ultimately empowering them to manifest their desires and create the life they envision.